how to log out Facebook from all devices. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I will show you how you can log out Facebook from all devices. So first open your Facebook app. After that, on the top right corner or bottom right corner, click on your profile icon. Now expand the settings and privacy. After that, click on settings. Now click on Meta account center. Now scroll down. Now under the account settings, click on password and security. And here you can see where you logged in. Just click on that. Now select your account. Now you will see all of your device. Click on select devices to log out. Now you will see a list of your device. Click on select all. After that, click on logout. Then you will be logged out from all devices. And that's how you can do that. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this help you, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.